I don't know.
So in order to create a comment bank, Ms. Kelly, if you go to your PowerSchool admin and login, and then so let's say in this case you want to create a comment bank for your high schoolers, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you go to on the left side, you scroll down and go to school under setup.
Okay. Are you recording? Because I don't see the little dot anymore.
It is,
Okay. I just wanted to make
yeah,
sure.
it
Okay.
is. So
So,
if you click on school, and then if you go down to comment setup, there is an option. If you keep scrolling down, yes, under grading, there's a comment setup. And then it's very simple and straightforward. You have to click on new, and you can paste the code here. So I know that you have a code. I think it needs to be without space. So DPVA7 should be
no
one word.
space.
I think so. It won't accept space. I don't know. Maybe you can try, but it should be without spaces.
I don't know. Okay.
And
So,
then you can yeah, specify a category. This is art. This is art comment, visual art. So you may want to call it visual art. And then this is just for the high school, and leave this box empty, blank, because you already have those tags
yes.
in. So you just copy and paste the comment now. I don't know how the apostrophe would work in this. Can you remove the first blank space before the first name? Before the first name? Yeah. And then this apostrophe S,
Yeah.
that may not work in the
Should
comment.
we try it before I go
I
and put
think I
more?
remember there were a couple of other I don't exactly remember, but I think that it may not work, but we can try. Otherwise, you can think about changing it slightly, And this allows you maximum 500 characters in a comment, including all the spaces. So if this comment is more than 500 characters, that it won't work. So if you hit the submit button, it's just good. It's good. It's a good idea to check your word count. Wow, exactly 500.
Well, we'll see. Okay, submit.
So it is added. Now, if you want to search it, press Command F on your keyboard, and this is normal search, right? And paste the code here, VF, whatever that code was, and that's see, it's on the screen now. You can click on that; it's there. I think
Okay.
it is handling apostrophe S as well, so that should not be an issue. So this is part one, right, where you create your comment bank. You go back, you do the same, and you keep creating your comments. You keep creating
Right.
your
So if I
keep building
change
up
this
your
to
comments.
96
No, no,
and
no,
then
no,
I
no,
go,
no, no, don't
well,
no, don't change that. You go
okay.
back to the previous screen. So this has been done, right? Go back to the
Yeah, we
previous
submit.
screen, the previous one where you have that new button, yeah, and then click on new, and then you get the code. Every time you have to create a new one.
Yeah, not there, but here. So
Yeah.
if I search for visual arts, would that work too if once I submit?
On the click the Doha High School, specific to Doha High School. Can you search for
Oh,
that code? It's okay. Can you search? That's fine. If you click on that Doha High School, otherwise, and there is blank space before the first word.
yeah.
Yeah, and then if you submit, yes, you should be able to. This code is
Ah,
already in use. Yeah, so you've submitted it. You have to edit it. So if you go back and then go back to the previous screen, copy the code. I would suggest. Yeah, copy the code. Go to the comment bank and search for this code. Command F. Search for that one. Click on it now. Yes, and fix the errors. So click yes and remove the space and submit.
Okay.
Right. So you keep doing it, and then this will build up your comment bank. Can you go to your gradebook, or you want to do comments first?
No, I can sign out and go to gradebook. That's fine.
And then you can add the rest later on, and just to see how it works. So if you go to your gradebook and go in your Power Teacher Pro, so Ms. Kelly, is this a generic comment, or is it an individualized comment?
It's a generic comment.
Okay.
So I would
So
go, I would have to then go,
you will have to go to the score sheet. This is grade 11, right? So if you
yeah,
go to
so,
score sheet in Y1, yeah, under Y1 in high school,
yeah,
because we do year one in high school. If you go to A plus grading on the left, yeah, and then click on score sheet, the second one.
yeah,
No, no, this is a score sheet. No, the
yeah,
score sheet. No, the second option, the second link up, this one.
sorry.
That's okay. So you are in year one term, and then you click next to the first student, go to the speech bubble, and then you click on show comments down at the bottom and scroll down a little, and then paste the code or type the code here or paste the code here.
If I just search for visual arts, will it work?
I'm pretty sure it should, yes.
Yep, there it is.
You can do that, or you can type and paste the code, and you hit plus, and then the comment, if you scroll up now, on the, as you see, the comment is inserted, and Sarah's name is added because you're writing it for her,
Yep,
and
and an
wherever hits her
apostrophe.
is changed accordingly, and so that's done for that the student, and then you
Yeah,
can go
and the
down.
apostrophe is working, so,
Exactly,
great.
apostrophe is working. So in the past, I
Perfect.
think there was an issue. Maybe they have fixed it. So that's pretty much everything, and then you go to the next student, check the level of the next student, and do the six.
Yeah,
So there is another 6 here. I think Abdul Rahman is 6 as well. So if you want to do it for Abdul Rahman or Angelica, you can repeat it. So
so,
you click there and
oop,
then get the number 6 one and
and then I plus,
up,
yeah.
and that will be added.